Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram password in few seconds. So this is very simple. You just have to go to your profile page and click on the three-line button which is in the top right corner and go after settings and privacy. So here you can click on the account center which is in the top. So after that, swipe a bit and go to password and settings. And after that you can go to change password and click on this. So here you have to write current password. Right after that you can just write new password and rewriting the new password. So you must just write the new password like strong one. You can just put it a special character, numerical number, or any hashtags or capital words. So that would be a strong password, and just click on the change password. So in this way you can just change your Instagram passwords. Thanks for watching the video. Please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.